In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain to Cloudflare. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, especially if you're not particularly tech savvy, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to move your domain over with ease. So let's jump right into it. First, start by heading to your Cloudflare account homepage. If you haven't signed up yet, that's your starting point. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself in the dashboard area. From here, you'll notice a button labeled Add, which is what you'll click on next. It's important to locate this because it's your gateway to beginning the domain transfer process. After clicking Add, the next step is to select Connect a Domain. Think of this step as linking a new pet to a leash. You're officially starting the connection between Cloudflare and your domain. When you click Connect a Domain, you'll be prompted to enter your existing domain. It's pretty straightforward. Just type in the domain name that you're planning to transfer. At this point, Cloudflare will perform a quick scan of your DNS records. This is crucial because it ensures all your existing records are accurately captured and prevent hiccups down the road. Once your DNS records have been scanned, you will be prompted to click Continue. This takes you to the next stage where you'll need to choose a plan. What's great about Cloudflare is that it offers several different plans, including a free plan, perfect for those who are just starting out or want a basic level of service. For the purpose of this guide, we'll select the free plan. However, feel free to explore other options if you need firewalls and additional security features that are found in the premium packages. With the plan selected, click Continue to Activation. This step signifies that you're nearly there. All that's left is to finalize the process. You'll see another button labeled Continue. This continues the process and aligns your domain with Cloudflare's servers. Once you click through, you might need to update your domain's name server settings with your registrar, depending on your current setup. Follow any additional instructions provided on the Cloudflare dashboard to complete this last bit of configuration. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred your domain to Cloudflare. Remember, changes in DNS settings can take a little while to fully propagate, so be patient. Once the transfer and settings changes are all done, your domain will be secured and optimized by Cloudflare's robust infrastructure, ensuring faster load times and heightened security for your visitors. I hope this guide was clear and helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more detailed tech guides. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.